How do we take the sustainable funds where they are needed? How do we scale up climate funds? How do we build scalable solutions? Strong connections and agreements between stakeholders are the keys to success. All the procedures must be based on loyalty, honor, responsibility, and transparency. Credibility is crucial and is a two-way road. A systemic approach is also fundamental and a guideline for every ecological action. Hello, I'm Natalia Ulhôa from Brazil, and it's my pleasure to present to you some takeaways from the GLF Climate session, Sustainable Finance for Local Climate Action. The GLF Climate 2022 is a hybrid conference alongside COP27. Here are the admirable panelists. I am thankful for their generosity and kindness. The session began with an encouraging video showing the initiative of the Mesoamerican Alliance of Peoples and Forests, which is completing 10 years of work in governance and territorial development. In 2020, the Mesoamerican Territorial Fund started working with pilot proposals. Even being the ground of climate initiatives, local communities still need access to funding to perform land restoration, carbon credit, and sustainable land management. According to Isabel Passos, less than 10% of the international climate funds are directed to local communities. It is urgent to train and offer regional entrepreneurs technical assistance in managing funds and improving their leadership skills. Local communities should be able to access flexible financing regarding their intrinsic reality. Funds must be designed considering each territorial context. It was accentuated during the session that we cannot compare traditional financing with sustainable funding. The returns of both investments must be analyzed differently. Moreover, mobilizing private funding through various sources is imperative because public financing won't be sufficient. Aisha Khan from Pakistan presented her view on the effects of the catastrophic floods that occurred in her country in 2011 and 2022. We saw how the companies responded to the disaster. The shock made small entrepreneurs create solutions on a scale, she said. These successful projects inspire others with opportunities and the pursuit of innovative solutions. After the Pakistan flood of 2011, it was noticed that the affected people didn't have the knowledge or even language to express and grasp what was happening. This proves the importance of climate education and specific instructions to communities impacted by climate events. Nancy Saich from EIB introduced the platform used to support entrepreneurs while financing their businesses. The panelists also recommended using blended instruments and the constant sharing of experiences. Indeed, fluid communication is vital and decisive in managing projects. Regarding climate change mitigation and solutions, the panelists highlighted the need for multilateral actions, scalability, and the requisite of creating other instruments beyond financing. We all need to be ready to adapt and keep an eye on the future. An organized society can manage emissions and their impacts as we constantly build our future. In March 2023, GLF will host a symposium to present 6 investment cases and discuss the sustainable finance sector. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.